Alright, back to the birds and the bees. One way you could teach your children about it is you take this from the Brady Bunch show. One of the lost episodes that I happened to come across in the time traveling in my mind. So, anyway, I'm going to skip forward. Brady Bunch, right? But Dad, so what do I do? Like, you know, all my friends have done it, and, you know, to fit in, I've told them I'd done it, and I'm kind of lied, and, you know, but if they ask me for details, I don't know what I'm going to say, Dad. Son, I'm not going to just teach you. I'm going to show you. Okay? How are you going to show me? I don't know. Listen, this will be a great opportunity, you know, because I've been thinking about a father-son tag team. Yeah, I'm one of your stepmom's daughters. But Dad, that's my sister. Son, she's not your real sister. After all, she doesn't have any of my sperm in her. I mean my genes in her. Yet. I don't know, Dad. How are we going to do it? Listen, son. Between me and you, she loves my cock. I've been giving it to her for a while now. And it took me a long time to, you know, get there. So, what we have to do is surprise her. Okay? I'm going to already be doing it, and you just happen to walk in on us. But Dad, I don't even know. I haven't even perfected my kiss. Son, that's why you're going to watch first. Right? Just watch me. Watch the rhythmic pelvic thrust. Right? She'll be in too much pleasure to even probably notice you or care. So first you just watch me, and then you know what to do. Right? And then I'll step away and go and get a blowjob from her while you pound her. Right? And you can practice. Wow. Don't think about it, son. I'm your dad. You'll fucking do it. You're gonna be a fucking man. Do you understand? You will do it. And you will love it. And man, she's got some good snatch. Alright, Dad. Alright, just tell me when. I'm ready. Alright, don't get too excited. Don't come too fast. But time and practice, you'll perfect that. Alright. So, anyway, I hope there are no sick people out there watching this that will actually go and do that. Of course, this only works if you have a situation such as the Brady Bunch. But please, do not do that. This is just a dramatization by complete professional. Do not do this at home. Only for shits and giggles, guys. Shits and giggles. Yeah. I like the giggles part. I don't know about the shitting part. Yeah. Anyway, that's one way. Or, which, I cannot let you download that, yeah, whatever. So, that's one way to teach your kids about the birds and bees. But, if you're anything like me, I don't want to see any of my family members naked. Especially my fucking dad. Especially doing that. That, yeah. Yeah, okay. Ow! Where I led myself. I gotta take a break. Heebie-jeebies. Heebie-jeebies. The heebie-jeebies. The heebie-jeebies. What? What are the heebie-jeebies? Man, they're that feeling that you get when all of a sudden you just want to twitch like, you know? Like, picture your parents naked. Right? Hey.